Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down Qwen 3.5, the newest AI model from Alibaba's Qwen series. This is a big step in AI because it's built for what they call native multimodal agents. That means it can understand and act on text, images, and visual interfaces all together. So what's the point? Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but can actually see what's on your screen, understand it, and perform tasks across apps. That's where this model is headed. The official name is Qwen 3.5-397B-A17B. It's a vision language model, which means it handles text and visuals together, not as separate pieces. The model has a huge parameter count, but it's smartly built, so it only uses what it needs for each task, keeping things efficient. It's also multilingual, with support expanded from 119 languages to over 200. That's a big deal if you want AI that works globally. Let's pause and define native multimodal. Most older models treat images and text separately and then combine them later. But Qwen 3.5 trains the model to merge them early, so it can reason across text, vision, even long video and document inputs as one whole understanding. So rather than text first, vision second, Qwen 3.5 sees all inputs together. That means a better understanding of complex visuals with text, like charts, slides, video summaries, or diagrams. One of the big features is visual agentic capabilities. Basically, the ability for the model to interpret what's on a screen, buttons, forms, UI elements, and then generate actions like clicks or inputs. Think of an AI that can navigate your apps or interfaces based on instructions, not just chat. That pushes past simple input-output chats and toward automation that's more interactive. It's closer to what you might think of as a smart assistant doing real tasks for you. In benchmarks, Qwen 3.5 holds its own against leading models. In language instruction, following multimodal reasoning and long context processing, it performs really strongly. It's also designed to be cheaper and faster per operation compared to its predecessor, which makes it more practical. There's also a hosted version called Qwen 3.5-Plus, which comes with a massive 1 million token context window and adaptive tool support, meaning it can handle very long documents or workflows without losing track. So, to sum up, Qwen 3.5 moves beyond basic chat. It blends text and visual understanding at the core. It's built for agentic tasks, working across screens, actions, and tools. It supports over 200 languages. It's not just a chatbot. It's more like an AI teammate that sees, reasons, and does. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you want a deeper dive into how models like this work behind the scenes.